Hello FSG friends and clients, happy Halloween. I wanted to reach out, make a quick video because we've seen a really scary month as far as markets are concerned. So I wanted to reach out, give you our feelings, let you know what's been going on, and maybe an indication of where we think things might be heading. So many stocks have actually entered correction territory in October, with the S&P down just over 8%, small cap stocks down about 10%. And the reason behind this, at least we feel, is that there's a consensus in the market that the Fed is raising interest rates too quickly. Now when the Fed raises interest rates, it does two things. It puts downward pressure on bonds, and it also slows down the economy by trying to fight inflation. So this consensus in the market that the Fed is moving too fast is one of the key drivers. Also, the trade tensions with China, tariffs, and how they may impact the economy are the other aspect that we believe might be driving down markets. But there is some good news. We don't believe that this is actually the end of this economic cycle. We feel like we're getting closer to the end because after all, and as I put in my last market update, we're about 10 years into a bull market now, which means that we're 10 years into an up market, and that can't last forever. The first reason we feel like this may not be the end of this economic cycle is that GDP is looking really good. So second quarter was 4.2%, third quarter was 3.5%, which is better than the 3.4% that was expected. Inflation was slightly lower than expected, and in September we hit a huge milestone with the lowest unemployment rate since 1969, which is kind of a big deal. Additionally, about 80% of the companies in the S&P 500 that have reported earnings so far this month have reported better than expected earnings, which is usually a really good thing for stocks. So we think that maybe the market's gotten a little ahead of itself on these Federal Reserve raising interest rate fears and the trade tension fears, and we think that things should start to settle down. But as always, if you have concerns, if you're starting to question your risk tolerance, we want you to call us. We know that this is your money. We know it can be stressful to see it go up and down, and we know that it's our responsibility to communicate with you, which is part of the reason why we're making this video. As always, feel free to reach out. Thank you and have a great day.